Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to bundle on Disney Plus websites, of course. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go to the URL section right here and type disneyplus.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page if you are logged in already into your account. If you're not logged in into your account, or if it's your first time right here, you will not find yourself into this page if that's the case. So of course, from the page that you are in, you will need to create to click at login option at the top right corner, or you can click at sign up at the mid to create your account. Of course, both of the options, you will need to provide them with your phone number, and then type the code that they will send you to your phone number. Of course, if you want to create your account, you will need to add the email address as well and verify it as well with the code that they will send you. So once you actually created your account and log into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. And of course, here you will be able to start watching all their movies, their series, their originals, if you are subscribed to one of their plans. Of course, they have the monthly plan and even the yearly plan. It's so cheap, it's not that expensive. So of course, once you do that, as I said, you'll be able to watch everything. So of course, if you didn't find what you like here, you can just go to the left options here, which is the search option, and search for whatever you want right here, and hopefully you will find it. So of course, when you finish all of that, and of course, let's say as an example, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to upgrade to bundle. So let me just tell you, let me just go back to the home screen, that the Disney Plus is actually includes the bundle right now. So everything like his streams in Hulu and other things that cooperated with Disney Plus, everything you'll find it now in the Disney Plus, and you'll not need to upgrade. All you need to do, just go and subscribe to their plans, and you'll be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.